Most people get this wrong when reviewing the Cleo app. They think it's just another budgeting app with a different logo and a few financial charts. Here's the truth no one tells you. Cleo tries to make managing money feel less like homework and more like an ongoing conversation. But does that actually make it worth using in 2026? In this video, you'll learn what Cleo does, its biggest strengths, its limitations, and whether it's the right financial app for you. Let's get straight into it. At its core, Cleo is a personal finance app designed to help users track spending, monitor financial habits, create budgets, and better understand where their money is going. One thing that makes Cleo stand out is its conversational style. Instead of presenting everything through traditional banking dashboards, the app often interacts with users in a more casual and engaging way. For example, imagine Jake checks his bank account once a month and rarely pays attention to his spending habits. A traditional budgeting app might not keep him engaged. Cleo's approach is designed to make those financial check-ins feel more interactive. That's one reason many users find it easier to stick with. But here's the problem. A budgeting tool is only useful if you actually use it. This is where most people fail. People download financial apps with good intentions, use them for a week, and then completely forget about them. No budgeting app can improve your finances if you stop opening it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cleo isn't just focused on tracking expenses. The app is designed to help users identify spending patterns and become more aware of their financial decisions. That awareness can create small wins over time. For example, Alex notices he's spending far more on food delivery than he realized. After reviewing his spending habits, he cuts back slightly and saves money each month without making major lifestyle changes. That's the type of value budgeting apps are supposed to provide. In a minute, I'll show you who should probably skip Cleo. First, let's talk about expectations. Some users expect budgeting apps to magically solve financial problems. That's unrealistic. Budgeting tools provide information and guidance, but users still have to make the actual decisions. Now, here's the key question. Do you need a budgeting system you'll actually use? If the answer is yes, Cleo's conversational style may make financial management feel less intimidating and more approachable. However, if you're already using advanced budgeting software and prefer detailed financial analysis, you may not gain as much value from it. The bottom line is simple. Cleo can be a useful tool for people who want better visibility into their spending habits and a more engaging approach to budgeting. Its biggest strength is helping users stay involved with their finances instead of ignoring them. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments whether you've tried Cleo and what your experience has been.